My name is Jamie, so goodbye. My name is Jamie.
Ice Borer 2000.
So that's right. That's a lot thicker than I thought. See if I can get that out of here. Look it over. It's be hard. Come on. Look it away. Oh. There we go. Yeah, that's thick. Nice. That's only been 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 7. 1.5 maybe. Well, I think it's safe to jump up and down. Maybe you drive a car. Oh my goodness. Wrong way. That's about the same thickness, so everything's good. Right in here has always been the catch most fish out here right there. I don't know anything about ice fishing except they bite slow. You need a hole in the ice. See the square hole? It's like turtles fit angled corner to corner better. Just in case you catch a turtle. I don't know how deep it is right here. Hey, my fingers are getting cold.
I'd say.
Imagine that. It'd be down in the bucket, out of the wind. Frozen crappie nibbles. I don't think they're going to go on there very good. Okay, one's enough. Brr. Oh, I guess I got to make sure it's not so big this thing doesn't fit across there. Didn't think of that. When this thing gets around there, there's the bite that spins it around. The flag will flim. And that is the extent of ice fishing excitement. Once the hole's dug, the excitement's over. Or at least when I ice fish. The best ice fishing day I ever had, I was like, I don't know, 16-ish. Walked from Mom and Dad's house, 3/4 mile to a pond, a farm pond. I chopped a hole in the ice with Mama's kitchen knife I borrowed. You wanna know how long it takes to chop a hole in 5 inches of ice with a kitchen knife? Just give it a try. I think I did one hole, caught 4 fish. I was excited. And then it stopped catching it. So I go over here and I'm over there and I catch nothing and went home. So, we're out here. It's just too much fun cutting holes, I guess. Look at that. That's what's fun about this thing. This crack broke, it spidered off. I don't know if you heard that when it broke or not. That was interesting. If I heard it while I saw it, it might have startled me. Oh, we gotta be way over here. Use as a weight to find the bottom, how deep to go. Guesstimation. Gotta wait. Ooh, a fish! Run! I'm going for the little fish. Just, you know, it's just kind of. Usually what I catch, average, you know. Not those, average. Well, been great if I would have caught a fish or two, but
It's not
I don't have
over.
any more tricks. I don't have any trick. Why are you waving? Does that mean something? It's see-through! Think Mama wants it in the house? How long do you think it takes to melt?
An hour? Couple
I
hours?
don't know. Kind of silly to bring it in just for that, huh? Well, it was fun while it lasted for like 3 minutes.
It's still going.
Oh, it's still going. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to, like, try to break the party up. Because it is still going. Woo. Well, I mean, the major excitement.
Oh.
Any fresh coyote tracks over here?
Now we're talking. This is so funny.
Trying to figure out the best way to ice fish. Should I be in a sea? I have one eye open where I can see the flag. Or the other way. Whoa! Serious? Nah. Did you see this thing spin?
Maybe. Oh.
Well, that was like, well, that was exhilarating. The most excitement we've had all, I don't know, the last 10 minutes anyway. Gotta go down the history books, that one is. That's a great old spot. Constantly look about and I'm shocked I actually own this place. Well, that was a good hunt. Hey, we know how thick the ice is now. Uh-oh. I can bring you on in.
Oh, good. What have you been doing?
Didn't get any fish. I expected that.
But there's nothing this can't heal.